Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into XIAOMI Redmi Note 11. First of all, go into Play Store and find X-Icon Editor application. I'll show you. X-Icon Changer, sorry. So click Install, wait a second for loading, and now click Open. Now need choose your application, maybe I don't know, maybe Google Chrome. Okay, let's try. Then from the library or your photo or your apps, you can choose your icon shape. Maybe this one, or like calculation, or this one. Oh, it'll be nice. Okay, so choose your new icon and click OK in the top right corner. So please go to the system settings to open shortcuts. Click OK. Then go into your settings, choose app permission, not allow it, camera allow, and files and media allow. And go back one more time. Click OK one more time. So need activate to another option. Other permission, home to screen shortcuts. Okay, always allow, go back, and one more time back. And let's try again. Click OK. And now need close ads. And close ads one more time. And how you can see, operation successed, and here we got our new icon of our Google Chrome. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.